made you decide to choose or buy BYD?
Siyempre, ngayon nakikita rin na may fuel price hike. So yun, decide ako na mag-switch sa BYD.
Second question, how's your driving experience with BYD so far?
Smooth siya, lalo na yung steering wheel, ang sarap niya i-drive. Ang buat dyan.
Third question po, when was the last time you visited dealership?
Last month na.
Kumusta naman po yung after sales service po natin?
Okay naman, ma-accommodate naman sila lang. Services, masikaso.
Number 5, what do you like the most about BYD after sales po?
Yung ambience ng place, malinis, accommodating yung mga tao. Tapos madaling makita yung unit pag nagpapaservice.
Do you recommend our dealership to your friends and family po?
Yes, 100%.